Hello lovelies! I saw recently online that the company Ace Beauté was having a rebranding sale. They are getting rid of a whole bunch of their old items, and so they are having an amazing sale with a really great discount. I went on their website and I looked through. They have a web page that they have all of these sale items listed, and they've got lipstick, lashes, eyeshadow palettes. All these things are really great discounts and great sales. And so I went through, I found a whole bunch of things that I was interested in and wanted to try. So I went ahead and placed a really big order, and it came in all in one big box together. So today I just want to do a haul video and just show you all of the cool items that I got. Just go through, look at each one, share my thoughts about them, and maybe do a couple of swatches as well. So I'm really excited just to dive into these products. I haven't used any of them since they came in. This will be my first time going through them, and I'm really excited to take a look at them with you. So come along with me and let's make up the rules. First items I'd like to take a look at from my Ace Beauté haul are the lashes. These were on a great sale. They were just a few dollars each. They were just an absolute steal in this sale that they're having. So I got 3 pairs of lashes. They range from pretty thick to a medium thickness and then a lighter thickness. The first ones are called Artemis. These are the thinnest ones. They're real pretty, real light lash. And then I've got Aria. These are the medium thickness lashes. And then the last ones are called Lolo PM. These are the thickest, very dramatic lashes. They are really pretty. So we can see they definitely go in a range from lightest, medium, and then the thickest over on this end. And they are really, really pretty. They're great quality, so I'm excited to definitely try these out, see how they perform on the eyes, but they are really pretty and great for any occasion. Next up is a 4-piece brush set. This is from the Palettopoly collection. This was a game that they had with an eyeshadow palette, and they were selling some of the pieces individually in this sale. So all I picked up from this collection were these brushes. So let's go ahead and pop these out of the box and we'll take a look at what's inside. On the back of the box, it has P1, 2, 3, and 4, and those numbers correspond with what the brushes are. So I'm going to refer to this as we go through each of the brushes and take a look at each one. The first one, P1, you can see down here it's got the number, so you can see which one corresponds to which on the box. This is a round blending brush. It's a nice fluffy blending brush, great for just blending your eyeshadows together, getting a nice blown out, smoked out look. This one is really soft. It's really nice to the touch. P2 is a tapered blending brush. So this one is going to be a little bit smaller and a little bit thicker than P1. It's going to give you a little bit more of a precise blend. P3 is an all over the lid brush. So this is just a flat eyeshadow brush. Great for your shimmer shades, great for matte, just whatever you want some full coverage on your eyelids with, just to really get a nice base color. And then P4 is the smallest of the 4. This is a precise blender brush. So it's going to be much thicker and just smaller and more detailed than the other ones, but it's similar to P1 and 2. It's going to help you just to blend your eyeshadow together. It'd be great for an inner corner color, just really anything that you want to have a nice fine detailed look with. So this is a really cute collection. These brushes are absolutely adorable. I love the pink shade. They're really cute, and I'm super excited just to try these out, get to use them, and they're going to be great just to put an entire eyeshadow look together. You've got all the tools that you would need to put on different colors, different shades, and really create a really nice look with your eyeshadow. I also picked up a couple of their Pout Perfect liquid lipsticks. These come in this gorgeous packaging that's so beautiful and shiny, and then it is just a sleeve, and then on the inside We've got the beautiful liquid lipsticks. It is so gorgeous. Look at that shine on it. And so this is the shade Go Getter. And then the other one that I picked up was more of a nude shade. This one is called Manifest. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these out of the boxes, and we'll take a couple of swatches on my hand and see what these shades look like. So I'm gonna start out with that purple shade Go Getter. It is such a cool package. It's like a little glass vial or bottle, and then it has a screw top that you take out, and then this is what the applicator looks like. It's just a little foam applicator. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a swatch. Wow, that is really pigmented. That is such a beautiful color. That is so gorgeous. Wow. So that is just a nice smooth finish as it goes on. It's a nice liquid lipstick, so it's got a really great feel, and it is really just a very beautiful, deep, vibrant purple color. I'm really excited to get to try this one out and wear it with my different looks. And now we're gonna check out this other shade that's called Manifest. So this one is a much lighter color. It's more of a nude or neutral type shade. So we're gonna go ahead and put this right here next to that other swatch. They go on so smoothly. They are very nice and buttery, and they are so pigmented. Look at that. It is an absolutely gorgeous color. Wow, these are just so pretty. I can't even get over it. They are just absolutely gorgeous, and they are perfect for just different occasions, a nice moody look or a dramatic look, and then a nice neutral look as well. So really, I'm very excited about both of these, and I'm very excited to get to try them out. And of course, I saved the best for last, the eyeshadow palette. I ended up picking up 4 eyeshadow palettes from this amazing deal that they were having from Ace Beauté, and get this, they were all $13 or less. Isn't that an amazing steal? They were so beautiful, and these are the palettes. They are gorgeous packaging and even more beautiful color stories waiting inside for us. Today we're just going to take a look at the colors, but I am definitely going to be making more videos in the future, just showing off the different colors and looks that we can create with them. But for right now, let's just go ahead and pop these open and take a look at what's inside. The first palette we're going to take a look at is the Slice of Paradise. This is really beautiful. All of these flowers here on the front definitely remind me of the sandy beaches and the island, and really just a slice of paradise. It's so beautiful. All of the palettes come in a little cardboard sleeve. So for the rest of the palettes, I'm just going to go ahead and take them out of the sleeve, and then we'll just look at the palettes themselves. But this is the Slice of Paradise. You can see it's got some beautiful shimmer on some of the flowers. It's got a really cool pop of pink around the edges, and it's a cardboard packaging. It's a pretty nice quality cardboard. And then on the inside, this is our beautiful color story. It is really beautiful and lovely. It definitely screams islands and vacation vibes. It's really bright and vibrant. It's got a few shimmers in here, but mostly it's got some mattes, but these are great if you really want a nice eyeshadow look that's gonna pop, and definitely just perfect for any trips that you wanna go on. So this is the Slice of Paradise palette. The next eyeshadow palette is the antithesis of the Slice of Paradise that we just looked at, and it is Paradise Fallen. This has a beautiful, deep, moody vibe to it. You can see it is just completely different than the last palette, and that is also true for the color story inside. The Slice of Paradise was so bright and colorful and cheery, and this one is deep and dark, and it really leans into some of these really deep purple shades. It is so beautiful. It's even got some black in here, and so you can really make a lot of neutral looks. You can make a neutral look with a pop of color, or you can make a completely purple look. It's completely up to you. You have a lot of choice and variety with this palette, and definitely create a deep and dark and a dramatic look with Paradise Fallen. The next palette that we're going to look at almost combines a little bit of the last two, that Slice of Paradise and that Paradise Fallen, and that is the Nostalgia palette. This one has some bright, vibrant colors, but it also has some dark purples and some other more neutral shades. And this one, it has just a really pretty color story, and it really has just a good story and heart behind it. A lot of the names really are callbacks to fun things that we did as kids. Names like theme park, camping, vacation, beach, water slide, carnival. These are all fun things that we did as children that it really helps just to tie the fun things that we did as kids into something that we as adults like to do now and have fun with now, and that's put on makeup. So this is just a really great palette that just pulls at your heartstrings and really speaks to the kid at heart in all of us. So I'm really excited just to relive some of my childhood memories and to make some new ones with the Nostalgia palette. And I will say this last palette is the one I think I was most excited about from this entire haul, and that is the Oceanic palette. Look at this packaging, it is so gorgeous, and I am so excited about this color story. Look at these blues and greens. Wow, aren't they gorgeous? They all just are so beautiful and vibrant. These shimmers are so pretty in the light. I'm just so excited to make some beautiful, colorful looks with this palette and see how all of this goes together. I cannot wait to play with the Oceanic palette. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had an absolute blast going through my Ace Beauté haul and just showing you all of the amazing new products that I got. I would definitely recommend checking out their website and seeing if they are still having their rebranding sale and see what you might be able to find. Before this, I only had one Ace Beauté product, and that was the Grandiose palette. This is a really pretty palette. It's got some beautiful vibrant colors. That's actually what I have on my eyes today. I did make a short and an Instagram reel with this palette showing a tutorial. I will put the link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. I definitely really like this palette, and I'm so excited to see if all of my new products perform just as well. So definitely stay tuned for more to come. I would love to hear your thoughts about the brand Ace Beauté and all of the products that we looked at today. Have you used them before? Are you going to check out the rebranding sale and see what you can find? I would definitely love to hear from you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video today, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you would like to see more makeup tutorials and hauls, and if you would like to see all of the products that we looked at today used in makeup tutorials moving forward, then please subscribe to my channel and be sure to stay notified so you can see when all of those videos are posted. I'm looking forward to hanging out with you again in the next video. Until next time, let's be kind to each other, beautiful to ourselves, and never afraid to make up the rules.